Most people think their garage door opener is broken when this happens, but it's actually these tiny sensors at the bottom. Let me show you why. We're Solution Garage Doors, serving Montreal homes every day. We see this problem weekly, so let me walk you through the fix. First, test the wall button. Holding down the inside wall button overrides the sensors. If the door closes while you're holding the wall button, the sensors are the issue. Some wall buttons even have a screen that shows an error code right away. That can help you diagnose the problem faster. And if your opener's lights are flashing 10 times on the motor, that's also a signal that something's wrong with the sensors. Next, find your sensors. You should have one sensor on each side of the rails, near the floor. One sensor should show a solid yellow light for power. The other should show a solid green for signal. If it's blinking or off, the sensor is blocked or misaligned. Now wipe off dust or spiderwebs. Then gently adjust the sensor until the light goes solid. When you're adjusting, don't overbend the bracket. It's easy to crack.
Alright, now these are the newer LiftMaster safety sensors. Now if you have the old style like I showed before, I recommend you actually upgrade to these ones because these ones are much nicer. If your sensor is actually misaligned, this is going to actually indicate to you that it's flashing, okay? The other one just turns off, so to you, you're not sure if it's supposed to be on or off, but this one actually flashes and it shows you that it's not aligned. So same thing, you have the butterfly screw over here, just unscrew that, align your sensor up, down, left, right, wherever you need to go, and then make sure that that light is not flashing anymore, and that's it.
Let's test the door again. Close the door with both the remote and wall button, just to be sure. If it closes properly, you're done. If both sensors are lit and the door still won't close, it could be wiring, a faulty logic board, or a broken sensor. If your door won't move at all, don't force it. That could be a spring issue, and that's dangerous. That's when you call a technician. Most safety eye problems are quick fixes you can do yourself. But if you've tried these steps and your door still won't close, call Solution Garage Doors. And if this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick garage door tips.